Alright, in this video we'll be talking about two aspects. The first one is how to host your website in GitHub, and the second, how to connect the domain from Namecheap to GitHub. So let's get started. First and foremost, you need to create a GitHub account. I think that is self-explanatory. First, click sign up. Secondly, put your credentials, or just continue with Google or with Apple. And after you're done with the credentials, after logging in into your account, make sure you have 2FA enabled, as GitHub changed the terms and conditions. So after you have logged in, click on your repositories, and then click new. And yeah, now you see this page. Now it is the most important part. In the repository name, you need to write your username followed by .github.io. So this code would understand that you're trying to make a GitHub page. Secondly, just write anything in the description or just ignore it. I'll just say test1, and then make sure it's public, not private. Reading adme is optional, but it is recommended to put it on. And just leave this blank and create a repository. After creating your repository, first thing you need to go to settings. Then make sure you have this repository name .github.io followed by your username. Then click pages, and then click main. Make sure this branch is to main, not to none. Select main and deploy from a branch. All right, that's perfect. Now go back to code, and you should see this initiate commit. Click to the dot, you will see it will successfully build. Go to actions to see it further, and then it will show successful build. Now go back to settings, click pages. You can either click visit site or click the URL link. Click it, and then you will have your first GitHub website. After publishing your website, now let's start to upload our contents to the website. So first of all, click add file, then click upload files. You can either drag and drop or just click choose your files. Click your package. For mine, it's called index. And then click commit changes. Now make sure it completes the upload. It will take some time, maybe a minute or two. After successfully deploying, go back to settings, click pages, and in build and deployment source, click deploy from a branch, not GitHub actions. Revert it back to deploy from a branch. And then after clicking deploy from a branch, click your website domain. And then here you have it, your own website. Now let's start from how do we connect a domain from Namecheap to GitHub. First, go to settings, then go to pages, and then there's a button called custom domain. Now, custom domains allow you to serve your site from a domain from other than your default domain, github.io. So there's many registries such as Cloudflare, Spaceship, but the one I'm using today is called Namecheap. It's the most affordable and the most compatible to most websites. So let's start. Now head to sign up and enter your first name or last name, your email address, and your username and your password. So after completing that, go back and click login, enter your username and password. After logging in, make sure to put your verification code. Entering your code, you should be seeing this, the dashboard. Now, to buy a domain, click domains, then find your new domain. For this video, I'll just be doing an example, Empires. There's many domains you can choose. You can say .com. For this video, I'll choose empires.online. So click add to cart and click checkout. My recommendation is that we do not click add to renew, turn off add to renew, and click 1 year. You could choose either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. For this video, I will be using the first year, and then click confirm order. Now you can either pay using a credit card or through PayPal, but for this video I'll be using a credit card. After entering your credentials, click continue, then click pay now. And then after you purchased, go back to your account, to your dashboard, and click into your domain to manage, and you see all these settings. Now, to connect it with GitHub, you need to go to advanced DNS, and you will see these records, these types of records. Now in GitHub, to connect to your domain registrar, which is Namecheap, you need to be adding records. It could be either a alias or ANAME record. For this example, I'll be using a record as it is the most compatible and the most efficient. So after choosing your record, go back to your advanced DNS and click add new record. And make sure it is a record. Now for the host, always keep it as www. And in the value, you need to add the IP address that connects GitHub to the DNS register. Now, in this screenshot, these are the 4 official IP addresses. So just copy and paste them into the advanced DNS. So let me just do that real quick. All right. Now make sure the host is at, not www. And click save all changes. Now after saving all changes, go to empires.online, copy it, and go back to GitHub and paste it in this blank page, in the custom domain. Now click save, and then DNS check in progress. Now, DNS check in progress takes some time to connect to your GitHub page, so it will take approximately from 1 hour to 48 hours. So you have to be patient as it needs to propagate to the entire world. It will also create a customized CNAME, which connects your domain to the GitHub. After waiting for 2 minutes, it says a check mark. So go to settings, then go to pages, and then you'll be seeing your own website, empires.online. Click to visit the site, and then voila, you see your own website. Now, do keep in mind that HTTPS will take some time to propagate around the world. So expect to wait from 1 hour to 48 hours. But in the meantime, continue developing a website and subscribe.